Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another unboxing of a wireless mouse which is also rechargeable and quite affordable. So this mouse was bought for 850 rupees from Amazon, and let's see it. Alright, here's the mouse. Okay, so let's see what's on the box. It is Offbeat Ripjaw, wireless rechargeable professional gaming mouse. What is in the box is one gaming mouse, the micro USB charging cable, wireless USB receiver, and a user manual. What we have here, dual gaming mode. Okay, no external battery. It is like the battery cannot be changed. And there are about 7 buttons which you can tweak with according to your game. And here these are some technical specifications. Its connectivity is 2.4 gigahertz, wireless and wired both. Okay, let's see what's in the box now. Here we have the charging cable that they give. It's really good quality. It is about half a meter long. And let's see the mouse. Okay, here's the mouse. It looks really good. It looks really good. This part is plastic. This is rubber for grip. It's really lightweight. The clicking does not make any noise, to be honest. No noise, absolutely. It's just silent click. The scroll wheel is all good. This is a very nice build. It's really strong. Of course, this mouse, like all other gaming mouse, has lighting in it, and it lights up. So this is the USB for its charging, and it's really cool. Okay, here is the USB receiver. This is the main thing. This thing is what controls the mouse. So yeah, I will be putting this on the computer and I will be testing it. Okay, also we have a user guide in the box right here. Now let's proceed with testing it and see how it works. Also, as you can see behind, you have a button here, which is you can put off the mouse, you can put the mouse on, and you have an option also to put the LED on with the mouse, just to save battery. So now I'm going to plug in the mouse and see. I'm going to charge it. Now here, when you put it for charging, you get an initial blue light, which means it's charging. And according to Amazon, the blue light goes off when it's done charging, indicating it's fully charged. So that is a really good feature, because sometimes we tend to overcharge some things like phones and other stuff. So yeah, so basically now the wire that I put in the laptop, which was given by the mouse, was it's only for charging. So when you're going to charge it, if you want to use it when charging also, you still need to use the receiver. Alright, so I'm going to plug in the receiver now, and it's plugged. So I plugged in the receiver now and it's all good and working. As you can see, this is the lights keep changing. It's RGB, so it'll change its color slowly, and that's all you can set. Actually, you cannot really change it. As you can see, the mouse works perfectly fine, and this is wireless, and here's the receiver, and it's working really good. Okay, now one more thing I read on Amazon about this mouse is that if you charge it for 1 hour, it runs for about 50 hours. This mouse is really efficient on battery. So this is a really good mouse if you want a long-lasting wireless mouse, which is also rechargeable. So overall, this mouse is a really good mouse. for people like especially gamers who like to game. And also there are multiple buttons on the mouse. So there's this right click, left click. There is the scroll. The scroll has the button that you all know. There are two buttons here at the side which you can configure on however you want it. And there's one button here which you can adjust your DPI with. DPI means the sensitivity. You can adjust that also, and you get a few sensitivity options you can adjust from. Yeah, this mouse is a really good one if you want a budget mouse in the price range of 800 to 1000 rupees. And the clicking does not make any noise. It's really silent. Also, I will be putting the link of this mouse in the description, the Amazon link, if you'll want to go ahead and buy them. Overall, this mouse is really good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video and want to watch more, and click the like button to show that you like the videos, and please subscribe so that you get notified of further future videos. Thank you.